Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. So today's video is about how we can download Spotify app on our phone. Now let's begin, but firstly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you won't be missing any upcoming updates in the future. Now as you can see, we'll firstly have to go on Play Store in order to download Spotify. You can simply search for Spotify over here, and as you can see, this is the app where you can find unlimited musics as you want. So let's click on the install button, and as you can see, the app is being installed and it will need a few seconds for it to be installed to our phone. So let's wait for a few seconds. So you can see that app has been installed to our phone. You can open the Spotify from here, or also you can choose the option from homepage as well. So thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, do like and subscribe to our channel, and also wait for us to upload the next video.